Hi, my name is Kathy. I am one of the co-owners of Viral Safe List Mailer. Jolene and I want to thank you for joining and welcome you to the site. If this is your first time using a mailer marketing system, we wanted to give you a couple quick tips to help you get started. By joining Viral Safe List Mailer, you have agreed to receive marketing emails from other members of the site. In return, you will be able to accumulate or purchase mailing credits to send your business opportunities to our membership as well. While accumulating credits, please show respect and view the members' advertisements just like you will want them to view yours. When using a mailer marketing system, it is important to have a separate email account so the marketing emails will not fill up your primary email account. We highly recommend you set up a free Gmail account for all your marketing purposes. The next two videos will show you how to whitelist the emails you will receive from Viral Safe List Mailer and how to set up an email filter in your Gmail account. Again, thank you for joining and welcome to Viral Safe List Mailer.